Inventory write-offs can also break up an assembly product. So previously we covered how to create stock of an assembly product by using an inventory registration, where we would go and deduct the stock needed of each of the components in the recipe to create one or many units of an assembly product. If we would now like to break that assembly product back down into its individual components and perhaps sell them individually, we will need to do an inventory write-off. So we will navigate to inventory and then we will select new inventory write-off. Here we are going to put in the assembly product that we would like to break up. I'm going to go just add my assembly product here. What's very important is that we specify that this is a negative quantity. We are deducting stock from our chicken pieces. Then we'll need to specify that we are breaking up this assembly. Once we've done this, we can then say confirm. And you'll see that this then goes and puts into positive stock or increases our stock on hand of all of these recipe components, and will deduct from our stock on hand of the actual assembly product.